Okay, this is Adam in a kitchen, a medieval kitchen. There is a dead deer on the wall.
That's hygienic.
Well, this appears to be the little servants' quarter area. We have quite many rooms in this. From the main entrance area where there's this giant pantry over to the brick oven, over here to the brass pots all hung up. I'm sure those are not from the time. To the chopping section. They're knives all over. Wheels and pots. Cutting spots. And windows all over. Good way to ventilate. And there are still more rooms off of this. It's amazing. Big old fire pot area. And then back here, we find Adam again. This is another little servant-y looking place. Unbelievable. Lots and lots of room. I need a kitchen this big.